Welcome to the first video in the Arch Interim Assessment Getting Started series. In this video, let's get oriented to outcomes or standards in Arch. The alignment of outcomes to pre- and post-test items are essential for the reports generated in Arch. Accessing Alka using alka.is, then log in using your username and password. The dashboard appears displaying all of the different tools available, many of which may not need to be used. I can also access the tool options in the menu bar, which provides additional options. Selecting standards, I need to find outcomes or standards I use most often. Let's select the General Education Outcomes and Program Outcomes specific to mathematics. Next, let's select, in this example, the Math Course Outcomes. Saving. The selected outcomes are now selected. Here are the General Ed outcomes. This is how program outcomes appear, including measurable indicators. Let's look at the course outcomes. This displays all of the course outcomes for the selected program. In this case, math, you can expand the outcomes and collapse them. Now that the outcomes have been selected, they can now be aligned to pre- and post assessments in Arch.